Elsewhere, tea traders are calling on the government to reconsider the mandatory use of Integrated Customs Management System (iCMS) in clearing tea from neighbouring countries and those from export promotion zones. The East African Tea Traders Association say members have been forced to pay for delayed shipments, which is affecting trading at the Mombasa tea auction.
About 25% of tea traded at the Mombasa tea auction is from Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi and Tanzania, but traders say this might reduce considerably in the next few months due to delays in clearing tea from the neighboring countries. Traders say the delays in clearing tea is as a result of Kenya's implementation of the Integrated Customs Management System to clear green leaf from the export processing zones in the neighboring countries. Tea traders say it now takes at least 2 weeks for tea from Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi and Tanzania to be cleared at the port of Mombasa, forcing them to refund for green leaf that had already been paid for. The East African Tea Traders Association says this has seen the warehouse at the port of Mombasa full with tea from neighboring countries due to the slow clearance at the expense of Kenyan tea. The tea traders warn that the situation will see Kenyan tea miss out on markets due to lack of storage and delayed shipments. Tea traders are now asking the government to reconsider subjecting the non-Kenyan tea and those from the export promotion zones to new customs system that is threatening a diplomatic standoff between Kenya and her neighboring countries. The Mombasa tea auction handles tea from 12 African countries. Benson Rioba reporting for Lunchtime News.